Okay, I'm gonna show you today how to make really nice summer salad with topping of our beautiful biltong. First of all, we're gonna cut up some vegetables, cucumber, whatever you have in the fridge. No stress about it. Be careful your fingers. Some red peppers. I got some celery. Make sure you chop it finely. Some cherry tomatoes. Just cut them in half. And we got some spring onion as well for a bit of pepperness. And I also like to use parsley. You can just chop it up a bit more fine. And the last very important thing is Aussie Biltong. I like to cut it into thin slices. Beautiful. Okay, once this is done, we put it in a bowl. Some lemon. Squeeze it in. And extra virgin olive oil. I would usually season my salad, but this time I won't because the Aussie Biltong is salty enough. So we just mix it up and let it sit for a few minutes. Wow. Take a bowl, the prettiest bowl you have, and that's our Aussie Biltong summer salad.